garlic butter shrimp. What is good, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I am returning with another banger for you all. This is a delicious recipe that takes almost no effort, and you know I'm about to show you how it's done. So let's get right on into it. Let's get started. So you want to begin with about a pound of some extra large shrimp. These are already peeled and deveined. I drizzled a little bit of olive oil on these bad boys and I mixed it all up. Next, we are moving on to the seasoning blend. I have it listed on the screen and it will be down in the description box as well. So go ahead and be very generous with that seasoning. Drop it all in, mix it all up as we move on to the next step. Here I have my pan to about a medium, and I'm just dropping in about 1 stick of unsalted butter. Make sure it's unsalted. You don't want your dish having too much sodium in it and it being way over salty, so I always recommend unsalted butter. Next, we are dropping in about 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. This is some garlic that's already minced, not a big deal, still good. If you're willing to chop up some fresh garlic, go ahead, go at it. So you want to go ahead and get that in the pan. Go ahead and mix it up, let it simmer for about a minute. Then we are gonna add in that wonderful shrimp onto this pan right here. And you want to go ahead and let this shrimp cook for about, I would say, 4 minutes or so. Remember, shrimp takes almost no time to cook, and you do not want to overcook it and end up with some rubbery shrimp. The cook time honestly depends on the size of your shrimp. For this size, I would say about 4 minutes. You'll see it start to curl up a little bit and the tail start to turn pink. Then you know it's ready. And we cannot forget the freshly chopped parsley. Go ahead and get that in the pan as well and mix it all in. And I did drop in some freshly squeezed lemon towards the end after it was already plated up, but you can also drop that freshly squeezed lemon as you're cooking it right here, right after you drop in that parsley. And let me tell you, that's it. That's all it takes. You can serve this over rice. You can serve this with veggies. You can serve this with some garlic bread. I mean, the options are endless, and man, this is a spectacular recipe right here. So much flavor, so delicious. And once you try it out, make sure you double back and let me know how you love it. I hope you all enjoyed today's video. Thank you all for watching. I really appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. And I hope to see you on the next one. Deuces.